Hi dear children, welcome to Key to Ease English program. Today I am here with another discourse for the SSLC examination, that is how to write diary entry. As you all know, diary entry comes under 5 score area, and how it is asked and everything I am going to detail in detail. And luckily this time we may have more than one diary entry writing opportunity for every learner. That means 10 scores you can score if you are learning how to write a diary entry properly. So listen to it and be a part of it. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and share this one to your friends. Thank you. Here, before going to how to write, let's discuss what is a diary entry. Here it is a recording of one's thoughts and feelings about an incident or a day's event. For diary എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു സംഭവത്തെക്കുറിച്ചോ ഒരു ദിവസത്തെക്കുറിച്ചോ ഒരാളുടെ മനസ്സിലുണ്ടാകുന്ന ചിന്തയാണ്, അനുഭവമാണ്, അതിൻ്റെ കുറിപ്പാണ് ഡയറി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. How it will be asked for the examination? പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് എങ്ങനെയാണ് അത് വരിക? An imaginary context will be taken from any of the prose texts. That means either it may be from Adventures of Banyan Tree, or maybe from Project Tiger, or maybe from The Best Investment I Have, Snake and the Mirror. Any of the prose text from the focus area will be selected, and from there an imaginary situation is selected. And a question would be to write the diary entry related to it. One character's diary. It also may be asked in the form of writing thoughts. Diary think about his thoughts in diary. Usually it comes in 5 marks area. This time, as I told in advance, there may be 2 or 3 diary may be coming. Okay. So let's see a sample question here. Here's a sample question. The boy was excited to see the white squirrels in the hall of the banyan tree. Hope you remember the story. He scribbled. Scribbled means noted down his thoughts, that boy's thought and feelings in his diary. What would be his diary entry? ഇതാണ് ഒരു സാമ്പിൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഒന്നാമത്തെ പാഠത്തിൽ നിന്നുള്ള സാമ്പിൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Now, ഇതിനൊരു ആൻസർ ഞാൻ തയ്യാറാക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. Let's see the answer. Diary starts like this. How come a white squirrel here? An exclamatory sentence start ചെയ്തത്. It's a wonder of nature. The white squirrel is from grey mother squirrel. You can put an exclamation here also. I have never seen such a creature. I is used here. That is first person. ഞാൻ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ എൻ്റെ അല്ലേ പറയുക. either boys diary അല്ലേ നമ്മൾ എഴുതി കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. So I എന്ന് ഇതാണ് ഉപയോഗിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. It was really amazing. Feelings are പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. I can't believe my eyes. I and my came here. The tiny squirrels are so cute. Some sort of feeling. But how is it possible? Again that confusion. The squirrel whom I see every day is not white. I have seen it making a nest with the grandmother's knitting clothes in the banyan tree. Oh, now I remember. grandfather has a white rat and I have seen him near the squirrel's nest. Yes, it must be the father. These all are thoughts only. Grandfather says the rats and squirrels are related to each other and it is quite possible for them to have offspring. In this case, white squirrels wonder. Grandfather says the rats and squirrels are related to each other and it is quite possible for them to have offspring. In this case, white squirrels, wonderful nature. I feel so excited. Here you can see these sentences are not complete. Wonderful nature. I feel so excited. These broken sentences also makes beauty to the diary entry. So hope you got a rough picture about diary and how we can modify this diary. That's the thing what we have to do now. Just see, here is a word cloud we are telling. This we can make from Windows words and everything. So I have chosen certain words here: enjoyment, sadness, red, mountain, endless, Himalayan, happiness, rain, surprise, experience, shocking, letter, day, ocean, shower, blessing, thrilling. These are all the words I have used here. From this, can you think of making certain phrases which represents feelings? Endless sadness. Don't you think it is a wonderful expression? Endless sadness. Himalayan enjoyment. Mountain of experience. Himalayan surprise. A rain of surprise. Marvelous enjoyment. Shocking experience. Shower of enjoyment. Shower of blessings. Thrilling experience. Red letter day. Like that, so many phrases we can make from it. A few examples I have here: endless enjoyment, rain of experience, shocking experience, like that. So make as many such expressions. They are figurative expressions we are telling. These expressions we can make in advance and try to make use of all those things. Here I have made like this: endless enjoyment, rain of experience, shocking experience, ocean of enjoyment, mountain of experience, Himalayan surprise, shower of experience, marvelous day, red letter day. Red letter day and marvelous day we can use in any diary, I think. Shower of enjoyment, thrilling, a rain of experience we can say. I told, thrilling experience, etc. So, shall we try to make use of some of these expressions in the diary which we have seen or read so far, and let's see how that style will be changing. For example, here you can see, it is really a shocking experience for me. If your diary is changed in such a fashion, won't it be a little more attractive or touching? How come a white squirrel here? It's a surprising gift of nature. A surprising gift. That phrase I have used. Nature is an ocean of surprises. Another use I have used here. Yes, a Himalayan surprise. Never ending excitement. So these all such expressions if you are using in the diary, it will give a height to the diary. This sort of figurative expressions. Hope it is useful. Come on here, what makes a good diary entry is another question I would like to place in front of you. എന്താണ് ഡയറിയെ മനോഹരമാക്കുന്നത്? അല്ല, ഡയറിയെ ഡയറിയാക്കി മാറ്റുന്നത്. അല്ലെ മറ്റ് ഡിസ്കോഴ്സുകളിൽ നിന്ന് ഡയറിയെ വേർതിരിച്ച് നിർത്തുന്നത് എന്താണ്? അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വ്യത്യാസം ഉണ്ടാവില്ലല്ലോ. The language must be spontaneous and natural. Should use first person narrative. I told you I, me, my, such mentioning must be there. Should give vent to emotions. വികാരങ്ങളെ കാണിക്കണം അതിൽ. Oh my God, like that expressions. Should express personal opinion and feelings. The content must be relevant to the context. That is for everyone. Every discourse it must be like that one. So these points if you have to keep in mind and trying to make a new diary, it will give you more scores also. So one more example I am going to give you. Write the likely diary entry of Mr. John on the day he met and introduced himself to A.J. Cronin from the ship. Just see, a memorable day indeed. That will be John's first day. That can be written in this way. So it's a red letter day in my life. Another expression I have used here. I am very lucky today. These very expressions can be omitted. I am in the ocean of surprise today. You may write like that one. Or you can say I am drenched in the rain of surprise today. അത്ഭുതങ്ങളുടെ മഴയിൽ ഞാൻ നനഞ്ഞു കുളിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നു. സാഹിത്യ ഭാഷ ഉപയോഗിക്കാം. It was by sheer luck, a Himalayan surprise. That word you can use here. I saw the doctor today. Thank God. A thought. Oh, those days! Exclamation. I was on the verge of death. I was in the ocean of sadness. Such an expression you can. He was a real savior. Who? The doctor. His timely interference and broad mind made all the miracle in my life. At first he couldn't recognize me, coming to the context, fitting the context when I revealed my identity. He was so happy. It was the happiest moment in my life. I have been trying to keep in touch with him for the last 20 years. 20 years, one more repetition makes. If I could attain anything in my life, I owe to him for that. So, like that, you can write a diary. No need to write more, or it is only for 5 marks. Hope you have enjoyed this how to write diary and entry. And here are 3 questions to practice. One by one you try by yourself and prepare a diary entry first and try to add more number of figurative expressions to it and make it attractive. Martha felt very sad. Martha, though it is not in the focus area, there may come like a question like that. Martha felt very sad when she overheard the talk between Mr. Smith and Mr. Boone. She jotted down her feelings in her diary. Write the likely diary entry of Martha. Ray could not complete the shooting because the images didn't come properly on the camera, or the camera didn't work effectively. These 2 reasons was told. The tiger incident also worked. He became very much depressed and he noted down his feelings in his diary. Write the likely diary entry. So it is Ray's diary. Homeopath, after reaching home, became very happy and relieved. He jotted down his feelings in his diary. Write the likely diary entry. So 3 questions I have given. Practice it. Try to make some more word web and make some expressions, figurative expressions, and try using those figurative expressions and modify your diary. Practice it. All the best. So we'll see you again with another discourse in the next class. Thank you. Don't forget to share and subscribe this channel.